Madhuri, what were you thinking when you made this decision? How could you trust that girl with the responsibility of feeding 200 people? What will you do now? She can't even boil water. And you trusted her with this. It's almost 11 a.m. Tell us now, what do we have to do next?
But Dad, what will we tell the people who are waiting outside?
Ask her. How can I tell you that? We can't arrange for food for 200 people in such a short time. Do one thing. Take them all to the garden area.
Honey, I adulterated the ingredients with great difficulty. Everything went in vain.
It's okay, Niharika. Diya herself gave us what we wanted.
I'll do one thing. I think I should call Deepika. Arjun, give me your phone. I want to call Deepika.
Will you please focus here? I'll handle them.
Arjun, please give it to me. I should have called her before.
What's wrong with you, Diya?
Sorry, Arjun.
You're the limit.
Sorry.
I've been telling you to concentrate here. I will deal with the family members. Please concentrate here.
Oh, Lord. I should have informed Deepika before. Arjun, what is the time? Check your wristwatch.
It's 10:50 a.m.
It's 10:50 a.m. What will happen now?
Let's go.
Bannu, Parvati,
Yes.
make some sweet drinks for them, okay?
Okay.
Hurry up, please
Okay,
go.
sure.
Had she not wanted to do all this, she should have told us before. But no, she didn't. First, she weaseled her way into our house. Now she comes up with new ways to humiliate us every day.
No, love. You're mistaking Diya. She can't do this. I know her. I'm sure there's some problem. Deepika, I'm sorry to say, but our family, especially Uncle Amitabh and Auntie Madhuri, will be humiliated after what Diya has done today. I won't be able to defend her today because she's wrong. Deepika, these people have come here with a lot of hope. They will be so disappointed when they find out that they won't get any food today.
There's no point in explaining anything to her, Tina. Don't explain anything. Because there are some people here who consider Diya more important than their family members.
Don't get disheartened. Just think about yourself, about how you will deal with these people. By the way, Diya can't do this. But
Mom, you are still defending Diya? What do you want, Mom? Didn't you want me to give her a chance? I did. I put aside my anger and gave her a chance. But look what she did. It was foolish of me that I trusted that girl. She has betrayed my trust even before. Amitabh is right. She doesn't want to become our family's daughter-in-law. She is content with being Arjun's wife.
Dad, I called up many caterers and restaurants, but I have got just one answer. They say it's difficult to cook at such short notice.
What will we do now? So many people are waiting here. And there's no arrangement for food.
Tina, honey, the number of guests standing outside are way more than the ones inside. They will start making noise in just a few minutes.
I'm really starving. I have to go work after having my meal.
The food will arrive soon, don't worry. Please go and wait there.
Okay.
Yeah. Did you see that? We had to face this too. What will you tell them? Will you tell them you forgot to cook after inviting them? Not just our community, but she's also embarrassed us in front of these people. Let Arjun come. Kick that girl out of this house and even Arjun won't be able to stop me.
Arjun and Diya here.
Please forgive me for making all of you wait. Actually, it's the first time that I've cooked for so many people, and I was so nervous about how the food would turn out to be. Sorry. The food is ready. Please take a seat. We will serve the food.
I'm getting a call. I'll be back.
Even I'm getting a call.
What's the matter, Mr. Agarwal? Why don't you serve food to the guests? You invited them. You ought to serve the food too. It's an important tradition.
Madhuri, let's serve the guests. Let's go. Come on.
Come on, you're still here. Dad's left. Go and help him. What happened? Go on, go on. Please go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Diya, when did you cook all this food?
Because it was for so many people, I woke up at 5 a.m. By the way, I didn't make all the food by myself. Arjun also helped me.
Oh my. Diya, when I went to the kitchen but there was no food there. Even the cooking area was empty.
Sorry, Deepika. I locked the food in the storeroom after preparing it. Then I went to the academy and I completely forgot about it. But then it struck me, and when I called you, his phone fell into the water. I don't know how we got here on time. I couldn't stop thinking about it.
Of course. Now you're here? Don't worry. This Diya, what does she think of herself, huh? And Arjun? He's always hovering around her.
Don't worry, Tina, honey. The game is on. And besides, Diya will be cooking food using the adulterated spices. So, the drama is about to begin. These people will taste the food Diya has cooked and spit it out. Don't worry, Tina, honey. Enjoy the drama.
Now you may start eating, please. Sir, sir, drink some water, please. What's wrong? Is the food not good? Is it too spicy?
No, my dear. The food is so delicious that I choked on the food because I ate it in a hurry.
Yes, sir, you're right. The food is very delicious.
Yes, it is delicious.
Niharika, did you actually add adulterants to the spices?
Tina honey, I wore gloves and added adulterants to the spices. I don't know what went wrong.
Not again, Niharika. Not again.
But Tina honey, listen. Tina, listen. I mixed it with my own hands. Then what could have gone wrong?
Niharika? Niharika? What's wrong, Niharika? What are you doing alone? Were you thinking something? Niharika, do you know? The mind cannot function on an empty stomach. You should eat. Look, I've got food for you. Come on, Niharika. Please sit down. Here you go. Eat, taste the food and tell me how it is. Niharika, please eat. You will like it. Please?
Yes, I'm eating.
Niharika, is it okay? Are the spices in proportion? Niharika, what happened to you? Here, have some water. Please drink some water. Have some water. Have some. How did this happen? I made a special thali for you, using the magic masalas that you added to the food.
What? What do you mean?
Let me explain. Why did you go to the storeroom last night wearing a pair of gloves? I thought that you came to the storeroom at 11 p.m. to lend me a hand. Yes? Exactly the way you had helped me with the makeup? That's why I checked the food grains in the storeroom after you left. And when I realized that you had done something, I had to wake up Banno.
Do you need something? Are you hungry?
No, Banno. Actually, I'm so sorry for waking you up this late. Banno, I need your help. Do you have the number or address of the shop from where the ingredients came? Do you have any number or something? Actually, I forgot to tell her to order a few more items. So, can you please help me?
Now? It is really late right now. The shop will be shut. I will order it for you in the morning.
No, Banno. I want it right now. It's urgent.
Okay, I should have this number on my phone. Wait, I'll give you the number. Ma'am?
Thank you. Hello, mister? I want some things urgently. Would you send them over?
The shop is closed. Call me in the morning.
Mister, it's urgent. Please send it over.
Okay, tell me. I don't have all the things you want, but I will send the things that I have right now.
Okay, mister. Thank you. I managed to buy salt, but not chili powder. Like they say, if you face any problems after marriage, you should think of your mom. Niharika, you know, when we used to run out of chili powder at home, my mom used to grind red chili paste at home. And then I called my mom. Yes, Mom, I'm grinding the chilies. Mom, I'm adding water. What should I add now? Pass me the coriander. It's over there. Yes, Mom.
Here you go.
Mom, I found the coriander. Should I add now?
Here you go.
Niharika, you know I don't know how to cook. Everyone was praising the food I cooked today. The entire credit goes to my mom. Niharika, you know I was afraid because I had to cook for 200 people today. But everything became possible because of my mom. I made the pudding by watching a video. But the food that I served you, I cooked it by myself. I didn't seek anyone's help, nor did I watch any videos. Yes? Give me a second. My mom is calling me. Yes, Mom.
Diya, I hope everything was perfect. And did you reach on time?
Yes, Mom. Don't worry. Everything was perfect. I reached home on time and performed the ritual too. Mom, your recipe was magical. People were licking their fingers.
Oh, Diya, I just gave you the instructions. You did all the work.
What did she say?
Wait, everyone loved the food cooked by her.
Really?
Okay, Mom, listen.
Yeah, tell me, dear.
I'll call you in sometime. Please? It was my mom's call. She wanted to know whether everyone loved the food or not. Niharika, I'm sorry. You didn't like the food, right?
Shut up, Diya. Just shut up, Diya. Do you think our family members will listen to the nonsense you say? No one will believe a word you say. Understand?
Don't worry, Niharika. I won't tell anyone about it. Niharika, I never intended to put you down. Niharika, you know who puts people down? outsiders do such things. But you are a member of my family. I treat you as my own. Mom? Mom? Did I do everything properly? Yes, I reached home a little late. I'm so sorry. It won't happen again. But Mom, I performed the ritual and cooked the dishes. I tried to do everything properly, the way the daughter-in-law of this family should do. Am I right, Mom? Mom, will you accept me as your daughter-in-law?
You want me to accept you? You know that I hate badminton. Still, you went to the academy. You had a chance to become the daughter-in-law of this family by performing this ritual, but you lost it. I cannot accept you as my daughter-in-law if you want to play badminton.
If the daughter-in-law does her work perfectly, her mother-in-law give her more tasks. And Diya, you fed everyone, but you haven't eaten anything. Come on, sit down.
Arjun, I'll eat myself.
Okay, you'll eat it. But I'm not feeding you. I'm showing you something. Did you see that? There's so much oil. You cannot eat this oil. You can swim in it. Diya, starting today, you will not eat oily food.
Arjun, what's with you? I thought since your wife performed the rituals perfectly, you would feed her with love and care. But you're scolding her instead.
Oh, hello. Stop being so emotional. And you, the dietitian sent you a diet chart. Henceforth, you will follow that diet. No parathas and no oil. You will spend 2 hours in the gym every day.
2 hours?
Well, for now, get some rest. I'll train you in the evening. She wants to eat oily food. Oh. Isn't that dessert?
Arjun, leave it behind.
You want to eat sweets? Amazing.
Arjun, why are you taking the...
No excuses. She won't eat sweets. And listen, I told Banu to cook for you according to the diet chart. She'll get the food soon. Eat it.